Welcome to Knock It Out Chat and Chores. I'm getting Mom's room put together. You can see where I made a few layout adjustments before I settled on making a little alcove for her bed. She said the first two layouts looked a little institutional, and this next one she really liked, and it gave different zones for the room. So it was fun to do. So I had taken all the furniture out of the bathroom and a lot of the items out of the bathroom and put everything back in her room, and now I'm just trying to unsquirrel away everything that I squirreled. If you haven't seen the previous videos, this is one of my avalanche projects where I tried one little thing of getting the carpets clean, which meant I had to do so many other things. And I had emptied out the bedrooms. Mom's entire bedroom pretty much wound up inside the bathroom. And now I'm just putting things back. Please don't fall on my head. That would be awesome. I remembered this time. Oh, much better. When I was emptying her room, I had forgotten that stool was under her bed. So I had put everything on top of the shelves via tippy toe. And yeah, I'm glad I remembered it sooner this time. I want to say this is a humidifier. Suppose I could say whatever I want. If I were a humidifier, where would I live? I don't know. Would I put it behind something, on something, high, low, left, right, by the bed, away from the bed? Where do humidifiers live? Mom, where's your humidifier go? It's just yeah, it's deep. I scoop you up. I get you. He's like, yeah. That'll do, donkey. Do not move the table. The heaviest thing on one side. It won't like it. Rude. I was just thinking a good daughter would actually throw that out. Didn't have to prove it. Here. Hold on. Brilliant, Mom. Good morning. Later on, I found some curtains in her closet, so I got those hung up. I did have video of it, but for the life of me, I can't figure out where it is. So, thanks for hanging out. Mom really liked her room. She came back into town, and now she's off on another adventure. So, have a beautiful day.